Yay! One, two, three, go.
Theo. Hi, me. Hi, me, baby.
Yeah. Wow.
Jitterboo. Hi, me, baby.
It's really difficult to take picture dito. Oh, yay! Inum. We didn't blow. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Theo. Happy birthday to you. Blow a kiss.
How
Blow.
many girlfriends do you have?
Blow. 1, 2, 3. Yay! Finish all the cake.
Okay.
Yay! Yay! Next. Way! Good like this, Theo. Yay. Next one.
Whoa. Go, go. Whoa, you look so smart.
Theo, ano mama? Go! Go, 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 go!
Several days later.
So, putting the decoration now. Yeah. And the balloon is in there. I don't know if this is the middle. Ayan, guys. Yan. Yan lang.
The next day.
Sa labas, guys, ito yung nilagay para identify yung bahay namin. Ayan, di ba? Sa labas ng bahay, ayan lang. Ayan. So, ayan guys, bumili kami ng mga fruits and vegetables. Ito, ready-made na portion kasi hindi ako marunong. Here, guys, is our another fridge. Here is all the alcoholic drinks. We have like Smirnoff in there. More Smirnoff in here. Yeah. So this is all the fruits, guys. We have pineapple, cantaloupe, dragon fruit, grapes, and watermelon, and kiwi. Ganito siya, guys. It's like this. We have a cup. Then we have hummus like this. I just put them in the fridge first, guys. Apple and orange juice. And this, I'm gonna serve this later. Hi! Lunch. Then after lunch, I'm gonna prepare the table. So ito po yung mga food namin, guys. Ayan. Ayan po yung mga food. Tapos yung regalo, andyan pa yung regalo namin. Dito naman nilagay yung mga plato, kutsara, mga baso kasi wala nang space doon. Tsaka more sa mga ribs, chicken, macaroni. Tsaka ito yung cake na imamash ni Theo mamaya. Tsaka ito yung adult cake namin for adults. Tsaka more donuts, ayun. Yan lang, yung mga bisita namin. Hi. Food. Theo's cake. This is for adult.
Oh, don't take it out.
There, you got it. Nice.
Should be both of them. He's definitely going to reach that big plate. Okay. I want to do it. Yeah. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear birthday.
Happy birthday to you. What a boss, man.
Oh, that's cool.
What a boss. What a boss.
It's your cake. You can smash. You can smash.
What a boss.
You can smash the cake.
Smash.
Smash,
Smash.
smash.
Go for it, Theo.
Is it good?
Yeah.
Is it good?
More? Put the face.
Like it's too tight. It's always.
Yeah.
เหมือนแบบเหมือนเป็นโอเคไม่ใช่คิดว่าไอ้ข้างบนกินได้กินได้ใช่ไหม
Want to use the spoon?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Audience.
Yeah, get in there, Theo.
I just want to use spoon. Theo.
Go on in.
Very nice. It's perfect. Perfect for the.
Whoa, that is so cool, guys. You're like a dragon now.
That's it. That's it. That's good. Over this one? All of them?
Okay.
Theo? It's done. Axel. Come on here. Happy birthday. That's perfect. I'm sorry. You want to help, sir?
The gifts.
Ah, that's nice. Whoa.
Wait,
What are you going to choose?
Rich now. Get it, Theo. Yeah, go, Theo.
Go on, Tim. Let's see the strikes again.
It's so cute, the bandana. Wow! All the box thing. Yun, may aso kaming bisita. May alaga ng aso. May mango float kami guys, naubos na. Meron pa kaming isa doon, mango float. Ayun. May bisita kami. Hi. Mga bisita ko.
That's why I was surprised.
Hi.
It's a map. I installed.
Dito guys. Naubos na. Ayan, mga drinks. Ayan. Bili kami niyan para lagyan ng drinks for the alcohol.
The next day.
Opening the gifts is tripas. One Ferrari. And Theo's favorite, the Lambo. Theo, is this can open? Can I open? How to open? Can open the car? Wow! I also got football shoes. It's a bit bigger, but one day, right there. It's a water thing from us. This is a cheap one. And you got a Cocomelon book. And this one. This is together with cash. Water toys. For toys. And more water toys. This is together. This is too small, right, for him. It's gonna keep some of the letters. And the ziplock, you know, is still too small. We got this one as well. Some cash. This money.
Looks like a new artist. Theo, happy birthday! Happy birthday!